Roldan.
Thank you, Alan. Last October, the UAP, or the United Architects of the Philippines, held its National Conference of Architects here in Cebu City. And of course, the chapter of Alan, the UAP Humabon chapter, hosted that very successful event in our organization. And with that, I know Alan will be performing well as the incoming district director for C1. To be served, Basel team, of course, the president of the Hardware Consolidated Incorporated, and of course, the owner of Park Lane International Hotel, where I am billeted. I enjoy staying. I almost forgot to go here. To the members of the Hardware Consolidated Incorporated, to my co-workers in the United Architects of the Philippines, I would like to make mention not only of the incoming district director Alan, but I saw Architect Marie Cañizares, and of course the other prominent and distinguished architects here in Cebu. I would also like to acknowledge our very supportive sponsors, most especially CEMEX, of course Matinco, and of course our partner in Manila, Davis Bates. Maayong gabi sa inyo tanan. First of all, let me thank God for so many blessings that He has so abundantly bestowed upon us. I was taught at an early age that a spiritually grounded person was important. When the taproot of the spiritual vigor is out, then the plant withers and dies. Let me congratulate the organizers of this 16th construction show Cebu, especially the LA Ducot Construction Incorporated, for this momentous event, bringing all the stakeholders, not only in Cebu, but down south here in the Philippines, in the construction industry, together with the clients and the public into convergence, where new materials and technology can be seen in this exhibition. My acquaintance with LA Ducot goes back more than 15 years ago, when I was personally saw the growth of this big, stable, professional, and most important, with humility of this family. Your being here comes and would confer your perfect order into this exhibition, which only implies that all of us in the construction industry is progressing and moving forward towards the expectations set before us. That is the pursuit of service to our individual clientele, either to the architects, engineers, consultants, specification writers, contractors, hardwares and dealers, or even the direct owners and developers of projects. May this event give us a fresh supply of strength, ideas, and energy, so that even our smallest accomplishments may bring the real trust of collaboration and networking in support not only to our organization, but to your organizations as well, in your vision of service amidst complexities and challenges these days. Let me just emphasize that as UAP National President, our administration in UAP adheres to its thrust of action geared towards professional excellence. It is our trust to serve the profession, professionals, professional organization, and likewise network with you to best serve the interests of our members and all stakeholders. It is therefore important for all of us to conduct our business in the highest form of professionalism to the best interests of the industry. The architects, as your client, and it holds true with the organization, would soon be a real friend and partner. We should realize that we architects also, the engineers and consultants, are the ones specifying your product. We coordinate and collaborate with contractors, together with the rest of the construction team, especially the hardwares and the dealers at the end, in the decision of the materials and technology we have to use and adapt in our project. The sales will be driven by your marketing strategies at the end of this project. The United Architects of the Philippines will be your continued partners, which will assure of providing you the expectations of fruitful mutual cooperation. I would like to make an appeal to all hardwares, dealers, suppliers. 2 days ago, I had a meeting with the Philippine Contractors Association, or the PCA. During that meeting, I again expressed my vision as the UAP National President that the construction industry should be together as one, so that we will be strong, more dynamic, and improve our networking. I would like also to make this challenge not only to the dealers, the hardwares, the suppliers, but especially to our professionals, the architects, to continue and to have its renewed commitment of networking with our suppliers. These partnerships should not only end in specifying, but in assuring that we will commit ourselves in getting the right sales for them. In conclusion, let me again congratulate LA Ducot, the Hardware Consolidated Incorporated, the sponsors, suppliers, and all of us, all stakeholders on this momentous event. Maayong gabi sa inyo tanan, daghang salamat sa inyo tanan.
Thank you very much, Architect, our sponsors, our exhibitors, and our guests for the cutting of the ribbon.